It's officially that time. Back to School 2025 is here, and I've put together the ultimate list of must-haves to help you stay prepared, stay stylish, and stay stress-free all year long. I've packed this video with cute essentials, smart tools, and a few underrated items I promise you'll end up thanking yourself for later. Let's get into it. The bag itself. Before we jump into the good stuff, let's talk about the bag that carries it all. I always look for a backpack that has a dedicated laptop tablet sleeve, water bottle pockets on the sides, and enough space for all my essentials without turning me into a turtle. Trust me, the right bag makes a huge difference in your daily vibe. Section 1, Core School Supplies. Notebooks. I carry 3, one for notes, one for homework, and one that's just random thoughts and doodles during boring classes, all color-coded with matching tabs. Planner. It's giving organized queen energy, monthly spreads, habit trackers, and I decorate it with stickers. Don't judge me. Folders. Each subject gets its own folder. No loose papers here. I'm not fighting with a paper avalanche this year. Index cards. For flash study moments on the bus or before a test. Loose leaf binder. For extra paper, because teachers love giving handouts. Section 2, Pencil Case Power Pack. Here comes the fun stuff. Gel pens in every pastel shade known to humankind. Fine liners, because bold is boring. Highlighters. I have 6 colors because yellow alone is disrespectful. Mechanical pencils. They're sleek, reliable, and perfect for taking clean notes without smudging. Cute erasers shaped like cats because, why not? Correction tape. For when I mess up but still want the page to look perfect. Mini scissors, a glue stick, and washi tape because I like my notes to double as a scrapbook sometimes. Section 3, Tech and Gadgets. Whether you use a laptop, tablet, or even just your phone, whatever you have, make sure it's protected and charged. Just make sure it's allowed in your school. Wireless earbuds, noise canceling because the hallways are loud. Charger and mini power bank. Don't want to die mid-Spotify playlist. USB flash drive for transferring projects and pretending we still live in the early 2000s. Section 4, Hydration plus Fuel. Reusable water bottle. Leak-proof, cute, and lives in the side pocket like a loyal sidekick. Snack stash. I always pack some chocolates, some almonds, and emergency candy for bad class days. Section 5, My Emergency Survival Kit. This little pouch has everything I need for those just-in-case moments. Lip balm because dry lips in class, not the vibe. Mini deodorant, a must-have for staying fresh all day. Tissues. For allergies, spills, crying during finals, tissues got you. Hand sanitizer because school is a germ jungle. Compact mirror, quick face check between classes. Hair ties and bobby pins, hair emergencies are real. Blotting sheets, perfect for keeping your face matte. Perfume roller, just a little spritz and I'm back to fabulous. Painkillers for that midweek math migraine. Sanitary products, just in case you or a friend need one. Section 6, for my hijabi friends. These are a few essentials I always recommend keeping on hand if you wear hijab. Extra hijab pins, because at least one always disappears during the day. Mini mirror, for quick scarf checks between classes. Travel-size scarf, great backup if it's rainy, windy, or something spills. Small fabric spray or freshener, helps your scarf stay fresh all day long. That's everything I recommend. But here's the important part. You don't need to buy all of this. Just make a list of what fits your vibe, your needs, and your budget. Then start packing your own perfect backpack. Let me know in the comments what you're planning to pack or which item from my list you're adding to yours. I love seeing what you pick, and don't forget to subscribe for more content.